Hello everyone, this video is in the continuation to my previous video. In previous video we have discussed about how to check whether a given string is a palindrome. If you haven't watched it yet, please go ahead and watch it. I have provided the link below in the description. This is the code. We have already discussed about this code. The target of this video is to refactor this code and make this code reusable. For that we would follow two simple steps. In the first step we will create a function, and in the second step we will move this entire logic inside that function, and this function can be called from anywhere needed. Okay, let's go to an IDE. Okay, here we are. Let's do some refactoring. We'll start with creating a function and we will name it as isPalindrome. The purpose of this function would be to check whether the given string is palindrome. That's why this name. And the return type boolean, as this function will be returning true if the string is a palindrome, and it will be returning false if the string is not a palindrome. Okay, let's copy and cut this code from here and paste it inside the function. We can exclude this scanner part as we would be passing our string input as a parameter here. We are still getting this red squiggly. It's because we are not returning anything yet. Let's do it. Return true if given string is palindrome and return false if given string is not a palindrome. Looks good. Let's do some formatting. Okay. Yeah, let's call this method now. Let's create the palindrome object and call this method. Let's pass a string input, save it and run, and we get the expected result. Yes, given string is a palindrome. We can do one more little change here. In order for the caller to decide that what needs to be done with this output, let's remove this part from here and add it here. This part as well. Okay, let's wrap it in now if. So what we have done here is we are saying that if function returns true, print this statement, and if function returns false, print this statement. For simplicity, we are just printing these statements, but it is at the caller discretion now that whatever is required can be done with the output here. So this is before and after. This is the code before refactoring, and this is the code after refactoring. You all can see it here. So this is it for this video. I would be discussing more optimized approach in my next video, and I would also discuss about its time complexity. Till then, happy coding and keep smiling.